Thank you, Mati. Jewish unity through diversity refers to the idea that despite the diversity within the Jewish community, there is a shared sense of unity and common purpose. Judaism is a rich and multifaceted religion and culture with various traditions, beliefs, and practices. Jewish people come from different backgrounds, ethnicities, and countries, each contributing their unique perspectives and experiences to the community. Embracing diversity within Judaism is essential for fostering unity and strength. It means recognizing, understanding, and appreciating the cultural and ethnic diversity within the Jewish community, including Ashkenazim, Sfaradim, Mizrahim, and other Jewish groups.
Rabbi Jonathan Sacks said, Judaism believes that the argument itself is the total conversation of the Jewish people in dialogue with God. And so long as we can keep arguing with one another, never leaving the table, but engaged in the collaborative pursuit of truth, that is what holds the Jewish people together. Unity without uniformity, like Rabbanit Oshla said, the willingness to keep talking even with those with whom we disagree.
The Israelite nation was born of 12 tribes, sons of Jacob. The human nation was born of Shem, Ham, and Yafet, sons of one couple, Adam and Eve. The multiple strands are what makes the rope stronger and more sustainable, the rope of unity through diversity. This is the beginning of the dialogue. Follow American Sephardi Federation Institute of Jewish Experience on social media, on our website, and join our mailing list. Our next step is to have live conferences bringing together communities around the world. Watch for the first conference in New York in November, the second in Israel in January, and the third in Europe in May. Please reach out to be a part of telling the greater Jewish story.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed these 2 hours with us. And like we said, it's only the beginning. Please stay with us for much, much more. Have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are in the world.